Hi guys, I just bought this Nissan X-Trail blower for the aircon on my wife's Nissan X-Trail, and I'll be replacing this because the aircon has been making some kind of loud noise. So I believe it is this blower or this motor that is causing the problem. That's why I ordered it, and I just want to take you through the unboxing process. I bought it from this website, eBay. So join me, guys. Alright guys, and this is the package. I received it today, and I'm gonna start with the opening. There we go. Yeah, it's quite heavy. This is gonna be like 5 kg, kind of. And I believe it's a brand new one based on the description. It looks kind of like, I don't know what to expect anyway. So it seems like this motor on the Nissan X-Trail from a wife is kind of like dodgy, so it keeps on making some noise like oh, once the car hits some kind of bump on the road. And that is about it for now. I'm gonna share with you the installing process. I've checked some videos on YouTube that I'm gonna try out to I'm gonna watch to guide me through the installation process for this blower, and I'm gonna share with you as well. And whatever mistake I made, I'm gonna make, you guys are gonna learn from it. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and you can always go to MatFame as well to purchase this kind of product. There's a lot of automobile products on MatFame. Thank you again. Have a good day. Bye now.